What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. But just before I show you the trainers, as always, I need to request something small, which is everyone watching, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, as that gets me more views, that helps me out, you know, all that good stuff. Come on, people, man. I give you lot quality content. That's the least you could do for me. I have seen 98% of my subscribers don't even watch, so we need to change that, man. We need 100% of my subscribers to watch my videos. You know, let's sort this out, people, man. So, as you can tell by the title, you know the trainers. You've probably seen them before. But I'm actually excited about these. So it's not a first, but I'll explain why it's a first in a second. So, for the first time ever on my channel, I am unboxing a Air Max 95, which doesn't come in a red and white box. So this is the black box, which is amazing. I love this box, man. Look at that. So this box is more for the, you know, the quick strike, the exclusive releases. This pair is a quick strike. Unfortunately, it didn't sell out. Well, fortunately, it didn't sell out in the UK. So there's no hype behind these in the UK. Overseas, I believe they did sell out. I think maybe in Japan. So this is the Air Max 95 QS. QS meaning quick strike, also known as, you know, the limited edition releases. That's what QS is. So if your trainers ever say QS, that's the quick strike. That's the stuff that's expected to sell out real fast. The colorway is brilliant white, chili red. These trainers have 100 names. And, you know, as always, the size is UK 10. Something I noticed there, yeah, is why is the centimeters 29 there and then 29.5 below? Like, does the size change when you're a woman? I don't know what goes on there. But yeah, people, man, let's get into these. The Air Max 95 Japan. That's one name. Or the Sakura. Or the Cherry Blossom, which they're not even the Cherry Blossoms. The Plum Blossoms, I don't know where that came from either. The Air Max 95 Comet, okay, I understand that one. Chili Red, as it says on the box. And Smoke Grey. That was a bit of an odd one because apparently every Air Max is a Smoke Grey. But we're gonna go the Japans, the Chili Reds, or the Comets, one of those names. But yeah, let's get into the Air Max 95 Japan quick strike. What I do like, or I'm not really fond of, but I do like because I have double paper, so once I undo it, you'll see what happens. My trainers are wrapped separate, like how I like my Subway sandwiches wrapped. Both half separate. So let's undo it. Bang. Air Max 95 Japan, or Comet, Chili Red, whatever you want to call it. I'll just call them the Japans, man. The Japans, because these are sick. So they are based off, like, they were called Comet. There was a release called Comet a few years ago, blah blah blah. So let's get into these, people. Oh, these are amazing. I initially thought, nah, it's just whatever, and then I said, no, I have to get them. What I'm happy about is they did go on sale in the UK, so they went on a discount within the UK, so I was able to get them below retail. As everyone knows, I don't like paying retail ever. So this trainer, I'll explain exactly why I love it. It's just amazing, man. And the more I look at it, the more I see it in person, the better it is. And the more I just, you know, just love it, man. I actually can't wait to wear these. So we'll start from the bottom. Look at that red. That is a beautiful red. So you know, the chili red, whatever you want to call it, that is just amazing. Look at it pop. And then what I love is like the Japanese design all through the bottom. So normally on other Air Maxes, it will just be, you know, it will say Air or Nike Air, and it will just be like a different color or something. This is like a Japanese design, which just looks amazing. Just a better look, and it does say Air. I love that. See the attention to detail. Whoever designed these, big up yourself, man. Then it's got the white midsole. It actually kind of looks like a bit of an off-white midsole, which I like. I'm not complaining. It's not like a bright white, so you can see kind of the difference, the brilliant white. Maybe I just can't see properly, but I do really like that, you know, bit of a different contrast. I like this type of midsole. It gives it an OG look. Red bubbles. We love red bubbles. Laptop needs to be quiet, man. Pretend you didn't hear that, people. So this is like a canvas type material. So normally I hate other materials like suedes, basically I just like leather. I'm old school. It can have a bit of suede, a bit of whatever, but this is all canvas, and it's actually my first ever Air Max, which is fully, you know, different material. But this is like a tough type canvas. This is proper like, I don't know. This could also almost be like you know, a heavy cotton, like you know, like a shopper bag, or even like a light denim or something. Like this is some real trouser material. But I think shopper bag is a bit more, you know, accurate, but it's quite a thick material. So it's got the white, and then it's got the light grey, and it's got that smoke grey, and the embroidered chili red swoosh. Then it's got a black canvas layer. The front, so I normally hate having trainers sneakers with a non-leather front bit. Like I'm happy when they make it leather. If it's not leather, I'm annoyed, but you know, for the sake of this trainer, I'm okay with it, man. I'm okay with it. Let's be open to new things. So obviously the toe bit and the wraparound, and then again on the same, that heavy type canvas is pretty good material, I'm not going to lie. So it's quite, you know, tough. It's not a soft material by any means. What I do like is it's very OG. It does have the nice, you know, white mesh, and then it's got again canvas lace loops. I really like that detail. So it's all canvas lace loops, and then this lace loop is actually different, so it's a different color. Sometimes they'll all be different colors, not really just one. The top loop will be different color, but I really like that. So this one says air on it. It's got like, again, is the canvas on the tongue. And you know what's mad? I just noticed, I didn't even notice myself, this is like a suede or a canvas here as well. So the whole thing is canvas. Normally this would be 3M on other pairs, but it's just the whole thing is just canvas, and it's quality material, I must say. It is actually quality. Then it's got just, you know, the plain white rounded laces. I think they done that on purpose. They didn't put any 3M ones in because I think the 3M ones would have ruined it. The laces as well, they quite match the canvas, so it's just, you know, normal canvas type laces, normal laces, which obviously is done on purpose. Nike know what they're doing, so I just love the attention to detail. So on the back, it's got the 3M. It's got the Nike Air embroidered, and then obviously this does light up, and my lighting is good, so it does show. So look, it's plain, and then the Japanese design, the same design that's on the sole on the back. Obviously it does show up better when, you know, you use proper flash, etc. Just under my light right now, it just shows, so that's a good thing. Very, very nice trainer. Just the attention to detail is amazing. I really like that colorway Air Max logo. It just looks so good, so clean. Even to the insole. Like normally you just get a plain insole, whatever, you're happy with it. But this is like the cherry blossom tree or whatever you want to call it. It's actually printed on the inside, so you do know it's like a premium trainer. So it's quality materials, a lot of attention to detail, and even something that people may even miss. So this lace loop does say air on it. Normally they don't, they're just plain. That's a really nice just little addition. And then if you get the other pair, which is the right pair, it has some Japanese characters on there, and it looks, I'm not sure how to read Japanese by no means, so it does say something there. It could say like Nike, so Nike Air, or it could say Air, just I don't know why, Air or something to do with Nike, but it's just a little addition. So it does have the Japanese characters. Just one thing I wanted to say about Japan. It's not even just one thing. I think Japan's an amazing country. And Japan have some of the best Air Max 95s. So I do wish one day I'm able to go over to Japan and actually, see some collectors over there. I might actually start looking for YouTubers within Japan if there are any. If you do know of any, please comment them in my comment section. I want to know, some Japanese sneaker YouTubers. I want to see the type of collections they have, Japan exclusives. So just off the top of my head, one of the ones I want is the actual cherry blossoms which came out. So it's the black and pink colorway. Those are amazing. So Japan does. I'm quite jealous that I'm not Japanese. I don't live in Japan. As I would just be all over the Air Max 95 releases, especially the exclusive colorways. I'll probably double up on those. That's how much I love them. Just one to rock and one to stock, as people say. But these amazing colorway, so I'm very pleased with it. And yeah, just one day I hope I do get to go to Japan, and maybe soon I'll be able to pull the trigger on the cherry blossoms. But yeah, that's enough waffling from me for today. Don't think I have too much more to say about these trainers. As always, I don't really rehearse or anything, so it's just a straight one take video and boom. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you like them, do say if you like them. Right now these are on sale everywhere, so on discount, just for people who don't know. So they are on sale, as in they are in store, plus they are discounted, so they are being sold for a lower rate. And yeah, a very beautiful pair. And as always, an on foot video will follow. Definitely cannot wait for the summertime to wear these, because I have like 10 different outfits I wear these with. But yeah, people, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and shout out yourself if you watched it the whole way. And take care, people.